in beautiful Maricopa, Arizona at the Apex Motor Club racing track. You can see all the gorgeous mountains around me. It's a beautiful day, and I'm so excited because we're going to do a mini series where we get to know the members of Apex Motor Club and their cars. And I'm starting off with someone pretty cool, Harley Cluxton. Harley, I'm so excited to get to know your car, but before we get into the good stuff, how long have you been a member here at Apex?
Since the very beginning.
And
Alex,
when was that?
2 years ago.
Okay, and so tell us a little bit about your car. You got a Ford GT here.
Yes.
What year is it?
2019.
And how long have you actually owned it? Since 2019?
Since 2019.
And the colors, I have to say, I'm loving, especially because I noticed your shoes match.
Yeah.
Is that on purpose?
Yes. Yeah. Yeah, it is.
I love it. We have a fashion four-wheel driver here.
Absolutely.
Okay, so let's get into the specs. Tell me a little bit about the car. How fast does it go?
It goes 220. It just depends on the particular car, but 220 miles an hour.
Okay. And what other features can you tell us about it?
Well, it's a street car. You can change it over with just the flip of the knob on the dashboard into a full-on race car. The wing comes up and it drops down. I'll show you all that stuff when you go. But the important thing about the car, from a collector's point of view and from a driver's point of view, is that it's a real supercar. The actual supercar is a car that has won the 24 Hours of Le Mans, either overall or in class. And this car did that in 2016 on the 50th anniversary of Ford's first 1966 win. That if you saw the movie Ford versus Ferrari, that was the car. And so Ford turned around and did it again, but in class this time in 2016. And
you've experience with that race,
yes.
Ben.
Yeah.
Tell us a little bit about that.
I drove for Ferrari. I bought the Gulf racing team from Gulf Oil in 1975, the same time that I was a driver for Ferrari at Le Mans, and we won. In 1976, we came in second overall again. 77, we came in second overall again with a different motor. And 78, we came in third overall. And 79, we led for, I think, 18 hours and DNF'd.
And how fast have you actually gone in this car? The fastest number that you've clocked?
Legally? I don't know. But I can tell you that it's pretty stable at 200 miles an hour.
Okay, it's stable at 200. All right, and we got the brakes that when you hit them, hopefully it won't go through the windshield.
Yeah, that's important. Yeah, wear a seatbelt on this one. Yeah.
What's the horsepower on this?
649 horsepower.
Okay, so should we go try it out on the track?
Sure.
Let's go.
Okay.
Got the racing glasses on.
Yeah.
He's ready.
I can't see in or out, but I look cool.
Okay, I'll just hold on.
Thumbs up. That was 140 miles an hour.
140, baby. Woo! So how often do you come out here to drive?
I haven't been out very much at all.
This is the first time in a little while.
Yeah. I'd like to know a lot more, but it's so friggin' hot.
Yeah. Just feels so smooth.
It is.
So when you're at a red light in this thing, how often do people try to get you to talk to you, roll down your window and talk about the car?
I flip them off.
You drive off, you flip them off, drive off, bye.
Yeah. Concentrate, leave me alone. So you see how neutral it is? You're not being thrown all over the place?
Yeah. Now, do you ever get scared while driving?
When I do, I shut my eyes. It all goes away.
And so how does this track compare to other tracks that you've driven?
It's a great, it has a little of everything. And so it's a great, I call it a test track, where if I want to see how a car handles. It's a great training track. because it has every corner that you will find in a race course.
Yeah. Now I have to ask, because I know people watching are going to want to know, how much does one of these run?
About $650,000.
And so this is very rare. You were telling me earlier. There's only a few of these ever.
In this color combination.
In this color combination, there's only a handful in the entire world.
Yeah.
Incredible. That was so much fun. Thank you so much.
You're welcome so much.
Harley, thank you so much for coming today.
This is, I mean, you got a great car, great racetrack, and a track, I mean, I love Apex. It's the best. What do you think?
I love it too. I think I'm going to have to come back.
You can do anything you want on this track.
I can take this with me, right? I can take this home with me today?
Except that.
That's a wrap. Thank you so much for riding along with us today. We'll see you next time. Wear your seatbelts.